Alex is happy. He knows that variables are like boxes with the labels. But today, he runs into a problem. He tries to name a box starting with a number, and Python refuses to accept it. He tries to put a space in the name, and program crashes. Then Alex realizes that in Python, while you are free to create, but you must follow the rules of naming. Alex opens the Python rulebook. Rule number one. A variable name must start with a letter or an underscore, never a number. Rule number two. No spaces allowed. If you want to join words, use an underscore like user underscore name. And rule number three. Python is case sensitive. To Python, age with a capital A and age with a small a are two completely different boxes. Alex carefully relabels his boxes and this time they stick. Right now, Alex programs are a bit lonely. He provides all the information himself. But what if computer could ask a question? What if it could listen to the user? To make his program interactive, Alex needs a new tool, the input function. Alex types input. This command tells Python to pause and wait. It's like the computer is holding its breath and waiting for the user to type something on the keyboard. Alex writes username is equals to input and what's your name? Now, when the program runs, it does not just finish instantly. It asks a question and waits for a response. Alex types his name in the terminal. Python instantly grabs the text and stores it inside the variable user underscore name. Then Alex adds one more line. Print hello and comma user underscore name. The computer replies, hello Alex. For the first time, Alex is not just writing code. He is having a conversation. Alex has mastered the rules and learned how to listen. But he notices something strange. When he gives the computer a number through input, Python treats it like a piece of text. Why does this happen? And what are the different types of data Python can hold? In the next video, we will dive deep into variables and data types. Till time, keep practicing the naming rules. I will see you in the next video.